Today we are going to show you how to build a round serving board with live edges. First, we need to determine the size and shape of template we want to make so we can reproduce these boards. Once we've drawn out the shape and we are happy with the size and shape of the board and the handle, it's time to start cutting. You can use either a bandsaw or a jigsaw to complete the rough cut. You will want to cut just outside of the line and use your oscillating belt sander to clean up the profile. It's important to take your time with this step since the shape you end up with will determine the shape and profile of your boards going forward. Now that your template is cut, it's time to place your board onto the piece of live edge. We decided to place the template to ensure that we get live edge on both sides of the round portion of the board. Once you have finalized your location, you can trace the perimeter of the template onto your workpiece. Now it's time to rough cut using your jigsaw. Make sure to break all the edges on the board to eliminate any sharp edges. Once you are happy with the shape, it is time to sand your workpiece. After your board is sanded, it is time to apply the finish. After we poured the Rubio Monocoat onto our workpiece, we use the squeegee to spread it around. Let us know what other how-to videos you want to see us make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more weekly content like this.